I'm Shaun Miller. I'm the Central Production Director for Rolling Hills Community Church in Franklin, Tennessee. We're just outside of Nashville. Rolling Hills is a multi-site church. We've got 5 campuses around Nashville. We had the great opportunity to demo and get to use Tascam's new SonicView 24 digital audio console. This new console offers Dante built-in, the ability to multi-track right to an SD card, 32 channels, and then play those back for virtual sound check. It has a very powerful DSP engine for gates, comps, EQ on every channel. Tascam has over-engineered this console. It uses a 54-bit internal floating point processor to handle all the DSP, which I was like, what does that mean? Basically, it can do gates, comps, EQs, all the things on every channel all at once and not slow down. Tascam developed a new preamp for this console called the High Definition Instrumentation Architecture Preamp. The amount of input it can take before distortion and the overall sound quality, I did not expect to be as impressed as I was. As we got to use this console, we became very evident this is a very volunteer-friendly console. Things make sense in where they're laid out and how it interacts with the user. Depending on your church setup, it's very versatile. It can very well be a front-of-house console and serving for monitors. I see it really shining as if you're trying to set up a separate broadcast mix and you could bring in Dante channels or stems or things from another console, you could really see it making a benefit for online broadcasting. The console comes with an SD card slot where it can natively record 32 tracks to with the push of a button. It can also send that 32 tracks out to your recording computer via a single USB cable. Taking the Tascam SonicView 24 out of the box, initial, obviously as a sound guy, the first thing I do is push the faders around and they feel great. It also features 3 touchscreen monitors. I think they're 7 inches. And that's a great size. You can go up there, you can adjust EQs and drag things around. And the ability to put what information you want on there also, I think, leads into not overwhelming a volunteer. It's not a lot of information all at once. You can split it across all 3 screens and get an overview of what's happening on that channel. So Tascam put Dante natively into this console. Earlier this year, they added an expansion card for which it has 2 slots in the back. And you could add a SMPTE ST2110 card to it, which opens up a whole new world, especially in the broadcast field. Tascam's SonicView 24, it's volunteer friendly and it sounds fantastic.